What's going on, everyone? So today's video is the Watch 6, a smartwatch that's supposed to be a sort of clone or a copy, a knockoff to the Galaxy Watch 6. I got this from the Temu app itself. It was around $28 at the time of my purchase, and you can probably get them cheaper. Just check it out. You have nothing to lose. Okay, I'm not affiliated with them or anything like that, just giving you my little tips there as to purchasing something awesome as this here. All right, so we're gonna get an unboxing. We're gonna check to see if it is going to be compatible with the Wearable app, which would make a huge difference. So out of the box itself here, you're gonna get this little guide here, and you have yourself your wireless charger. Okay, now let me tell you, something like this for under $30 is gonna be pretty neat. Okay, you got the belt there, and I am going to do in another video a comparison with the real Watch 6, which I do have, versus this one here to give you an idea of the differences on these guys here. Okay, so this is the belt. Has a little nice soft feel to it, but I can tell you right off the bat, these look like when it is exposed to lots of heat, they're gonna get brittle. Okay, they're gonna get brittle and kind of break off easily just by the way how they feel. Okay, I'm just telling you based on my experience with other type of materials out there. And then of course you got your watch here, which seems to have a heart rate monitor on it on the back here. So let's go ahead and remove this plastic, turn it on and see if it actually works. Okay, so plastic removed here. Now I'm not sure which one is the power button, so let's hold down on one of these here and see if it's this one here. If not, we'll probably need to get it to charge. All right, so it looks like it's this one here. This one should be the power button, the one with the little orange highlight on the inside. You can't really see it, but there's an orange highlight on the inside. So it's this one here. I'm gonna hold down this one here, and it did come on a while ago, so let's just wait for that. There you go, you got that hello here, and it's gonna come on just like that. It has a very cheap vibration feel. Again, this is like a knockoff to it, so just don't expect much, okay? Let's see what else we got here. So that's your on and off there. What happens when I press on this? There's the apps there. Okay. Now I have the wireless charger here plugged in to a USB port. Let's see if it's gonna actually charge here. There is a magnetic pull to it. Let's see. All right, nice. Okay, so it is charging. It does charge. Nice. This is very nice. Now for under $30, it tells you your percentage here. Nice, nice, really nice. I think I see now why a lot of people decided to go ahead and buy this here, okay? Okay, so it's got some cool stuff here so far from what I can see. WhatsApp already pre-installed. Let's go into the settings and see what's what, okay? Dialing switch dynamic island, seriously? I don't know how that's gonna work. So we got some brightness settings here. Now, how do we go back? Is it swipe away? Okay, yeah, it's a swipe away. Yeah, I just knocked the camera. I'm terrible at this recording thing. All right, brightness, swipe back, constant setting, key definition. All right, we got double click here. We got some options here. I just kind of cycling through all the little options. So long press for the heart rate. But then which one is which though? Okay, so if you go down like this, right, this is your home button here. I'll swipe down for the notification panel here. We got a Bluetooth settings here. I'm gonna go ahead and pair it up in a moment. Just wanna kind of get a quick idea of what's what. Okay, we got some exercise here. So this would be your home button here. Again, swiping from the left gives you this calendar here, weather and all that stuff here. All right, so it's loaded. The resolution looks pretty poor, of course, under $30. You can't expect much. Let's go ahead and pair it up to a Samsung phone and see what it does. All right, so we're in the main settings of the Samsung phone for the Bluetooth. I'll turn this on here, and of course, it's gonna start searching for nearby devices. Watch 6 is showing up already. Okay, so I just wanna make sure the Bluetooth toggle here is enabled. I don't know if the long press is going to take us there. Anyways, I'll go ahead and tap on Watch 6. I would assume it's this one here because that's the only Watch 6 there, right? All right, pair. Let's see if that's gonna work. All right, so it looks like it did connect. Let me show you this here quickly. This little icon here showed up. It's just letting me know that it is connected. So if I single tap this here, it's gonna show me for call audio. Okay, so it seems like it could work for call audio and media audio here. And you can also check the Watch 6 settings here to see if it does have that. All right, so we got calls and audio. All right, really nice. Now the next thing we're gonna do here is check it with the Wearable app. And the only way to do this is to actually go into the Wearable app itself. And if it does detect it, it's gonna show it. So this part here is your usual here. So we'll go to more and then continue. And it's gonna start searching. And if it does pick up anything that's compatible, it will show up. But I'm gonna tell you right now, I highly doubt it, okay? So don't be disappointed. Once again, these are knockoff products. All right, so it's not showing up. And if it did show up, if it was compatible, it would actually show up already. Now, needless to say here, let's kind of see what else the clock face has to offer. Now, I know with the long press, you can access different clock faces, just like the real Watch 6. And so far, we're doing something here, but I don't know. Okay, there you go. You swipe over and voila, nice. This is really nice. Okay, all right. So we got about 4 or 5 of them. This is your usual Watch 6 clock style presentation here. Very nice. Really, I like this. This is really, really, really nice. Okay, so it has some swipe delays so far. Okay, some swipe delays. Let's go ahead and put on those belts here and see what's gonna happen here. And again, just stick around for that comparison here. Okay, so I'm gonna try to put these on. So the belt is on, and I wanna actually see this right here. Okay, this is the heart rate monitor there. Okay, so it's gonna have that light there. I don't know if you just saw that little green light flicker there. That's measuring it. Okay, so you wanna kind of place that on your wrist here, and it's gonna say measuring. And of course, we all know this isn't 100% accurate, but let's see what it does. All right, 66, nice. So sensors seem to be working. The watch itself looks like it's gonna give you some sort of decent action, and it definitely looks and feels like a Galaxy Watch 6, and also quite similar to the Watch 5 too. I have both of those watches, those actual Samsung watches. I'm just gonna put it on here quickly. Um, Now, I don't know if there's any kind of gestures there. Yeah, there you go. Looks like it does have that little raise your wrist kind of thing gesture there. So just going through all these little features and functions, and let me know in the comments section, what do you think? But all in all, I think that's really neat. It doesn't have the exact interface of the actual Samsung watch, but this is nice. Okay, so connect phone, BT, reboot, power off, factory settings, gestures there. So this was the gesture thing that we saw earlier with the when they went to sleep. All right. So neat stuff all in all. Yeah, it's nice, right? There you go. Nice stuff, man. So if you want something budget or maybe something for your kids that's gonna look like a Samsung watch, if they're more into Samsung products and not an Apple Watch, definitely check this one out here. Okay. So this is it right there. It's this one here. Let me see if I could get a closer image uh, at the bottom part here. This is it right there. All right, it's model M10. That's what it is. So you're looking for that if you're interested in getting this here, okay? So good stuff all in all. Like and sub. Stick around for that comparison with the real deal. And thanks for watching.